Your Hyundai may be equipped with front seat heaters that can be easily adjusted to suit your comfort level. You can adjust the temperature control yourself just by pressing the seat heater button. When you first press the seat heater button, the initial temperature control will be set to high. Press the seat heater button consecutively to select the temperature control to medium and then low, and then once again to turn them off. For your convenience, the front seat heating feature will automatically adjust the heating for you. Once the feature is turned on, the setting will change from high to medium after 30 minutes. After 60 minutes on the medium setting, it will adjust to low. You will also notice that the seat heater switch will change indicator lights as well, to let you know the setting has been adjusted. You can always override this by turning the seat heaters off and then on again. The seat heaters also default to off when you turn the ignition off and back on again.